Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Sevilla P. Burris. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I have one daughter. She is 10 years old.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Barangay Cotutan, Iloilo.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters. I am the 5th member of the family.
Okay, are you a high school graduate or a college graduate?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am. But I have experienced her in Philippines as a domestic helper at 4 years at a couple of 2 children.
Okay, what is the age of the kids?
The age of the kids are 5 and 2 years old.
Okay, what did you do there, here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 4 years?
I do my household chores by cooking, washing, ironing, and cleaning the house and taking care of the kids.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am a simple, hardworking, honest, and loyal
Okay.
person.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to send my daughter to school and I want to build my own house.
If you get tired, who will take care of your children?
My parents and my husband.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. in the evening and wake up in the morning at 5 a.m.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong kids, the kids they're super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and understand today, ma'am.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will keep myself busy to work and sometimes I teach them and tutor and play them.
Do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relative and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid with cats and dogs?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check the temperature and I will call the employer.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I will promise to finish my contract and I will do my best.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me an example.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding apart, clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you select me as a new domestic helper, I will do my best and serve your family as can do. Thank you, ma'am.